Mr. Floor Leader. Madam Chair, the purpose of this resolution, Madam Chair, is to strengthen and to lengthen the effectivity of senior citizens ID, Mr. Chair. So this is a resolution requesting the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs to upgrade senior citizen identification card by incorporating the thumb mark of the members in addition to their signature. Whereas pursuant to provision of the Republic Act 9994, otherwise known as the Expanded Senior Citizens Act of 2010, and its implementing rules and regulations, the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs is mandated to issue identification card to all qualified senior citizens, which shall serve as the basis for the availment of benefits and privileges granted under the said law. Whereas the existing identification card system of the Office for the Senior Citizens Affairs currently incorporates either a signature or a thumb mark, with the majority of the identification card utilizing a thumb mark, a signature. Whereas there are concerns raised by the senior citizen members in their authorized representative who are unable to replace their unrecognizable identification card bearing signatures and wish to change their signatory to a thumb mark, but such replacement is still not permitted in the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs. Whereas there are some instances where the senior citizens members experience difficulty in processing their documents, as some agencies refuse to acknowledge identification card bearing signature when the corresponding documents bear thumb mark, thereby resulting to undue inconvenience to the concerned senior citizens. Whereas, Madam Chair, reliance solely on the signature may not be practical for certain senior citizens members due to health conditions, limited mobility, or difficulty in writing brought about by aging. Whereas, Madam Chair, incorporating both signature and thumb mark on the senior citizen applicant in the issuance of the identification card would enhance authenticity and provide stronger means of validation, thereby ensuring the continued recognition of all senior citizens under the existing law. Now, therefore, resolved, as hereby resolved, by Sangguniang Pangunsod of Iloilo City, that a resolution be passed requesting the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs to upgrade the senior citizen identification card by incorporating the thumb mark of members in addition to their signatures. Resolved further that the copies of this resolution be furnished to the Office of the City Mayor and the Office of the Senior Citizen Affairs, Madam Chair. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Okay, before that, Councilor Cabaluna, you have the floor. After which,
Okay.
Councilor Parkman.
I'm totally in favor of this, Madam Chair. No? Ang akon lang din nga apprehension, ang applicability niya sini, no? Lalo na yung mga documents gina-sign, mga last will and testament, gina-authenticate pa na yan, no? Gina-picturan, gina-siguradong ang senior citizen, amugid mismo ang nag-thumb mark, kagamo na nga, amugid man niya tinutuyo. Ang akon lang pamangkot, no, in terms of kung applicability na sa uli, for example, bigin thumb mark ka, tapos mabakal siya bulong sang senior citizen, capable ang aton mga pharmacy, ang mga aton establishment, mag-check nga, oo, ining thumb mark na ni, pariyugid man sa ID na nakaptan. Amo lang ng ako, no, I think maybe base may preceding step that we should do before naton mahambal nga ready kita for thumb mark identification sa mga purchases sa mga senior citizen nga hambal mo gani hindi kahalin sa ila panimalay, may sakit, so himata nila ang nagadala sang gamit kag fingerprint lang ang ilang authority ginahatag, no? So ano ang paggamit, no? I hope we will be ready for that one day.
Yes,
Kasi kung mabusuhon, pwede man nga tamarkila da, I go, you know, these are things that could happen also.
Yes, Madam Chair. No? Anyway, ang thumb mark, ang mugid man, hindi ma-change even magtigulang ka. But anyway, Madam Chair, sa sa application pa lang sa senior citizen ID dira sa OSCA, no? Ara na da naka-reflect either signature/thumb mark. So either of the two.
So the intention is
So either of the two will do. But this time, because of that, sometimes they are making an alibi by not accepting any documents from the senior citizen kung thumb mark lang. So this will solve the problem sa senior citizen nga even though nag-signature na siya, may thumb mark pa, daw double pictures, so that nga if really nga gusto nila ma-identify kung ang thumb mark nga iyagit, amo na siyang concern ni Councilor Cabaluna, then that is their initiative. That is the initiative of the office
ako
para mabalaan nila.
gusto ko man tani. Ako lang possible subject to abuse imbis nga ikaw mismo nga pharmacist wala ka man kasigurado nga thumb mark gid man hindi mo man ma-compare no. Dama lang na ako nalinlangan. But if someday we could reach a point that we could really authenticate this, dako nga bagay gid man sa hindi maka-perma, hindi makakita, hindi hindi siya kita magsulat so thumb mark niya lang gamiton. Pero the other side of it of course is hindi ma-validate, wala expertise, wala machine to validate ang mga establishments nga ang thumb mark kani is indeed the thumb mark of the senior citizen with which would benefit from any privilege or discounts given. So wala na. But this is probably an important step but inang may mga bagay guro nga pwede naton ma-supplement to enforce nga pwede naton magamit ang thumb mark.
Maybe someday maka-provide na sila sang equipment for the validation of thumb mark. But as of now, Madam Chair, that is the two nga ginabaton sa aton sa in having an ID, either you have a signature/thumb mark. So for this resolution, Madam Chair, we are requesting them to make it two na lang, no? Signature and thumb mark. Kaya ang senior citizen, we don't know, Madam Chair, subong Pasko, dason pagkaaga, hindi nakabangon na nagbatyag na. With this, Madam Chair, I think this will somehow help them sa ilang problem with regards to their documents.
Yeah, before Councilor Sarabia, Councilor Percon, you have the floor.
So, Madam Chair, actually this is not an objection, but a clarification because you mentioned, the proponent mentioned in his proposed resolution, but such replacement is still not permitted by the Office for Senior Citizens Affairs. So I would like to know if perhaps the nakahambal rason ng atin OSCA why they do not permit the use of thumb mark, because I used to work with OSCA 10 years ago, and the practice, if the senior citizen is not capable of putting a signature, kisagi nakadtuan pagigani sang OSCA mismo nga office saya para ang senior makano sang thumb mark niya. So I would like to ask from the proponent, since it was indicated in his resolution that the OSCA is not permitting the use of thumb mark. I would like to know if ano ang rason kanon nila.
Madam Chair, if you have sa imong ID is signature, and then somebody from the maybe from the authorized representative of the senior citizen will go to the office of the OSCA to change that ID with the signature into a thumb mark, they will not allow that. You have to again apply for again mabilang pa sang form wearing that your let's say your identification using your thumb mark in the signature, so that they will be again issued an ID with the thumb mark on it.
So they will not allow if
So
bagong thumb
change na
card,
hindi pwede.
pero ara man
Pwede
tani
man.
ang senior.
Kung at that time, in that case, kinanglan nara ang senior. Kung magpa-change sila. Kaya thumb mark na ang gamito niya, hindi na, i-duaway yan na ang signature. But this time, Madam Chair, our resolution is, sa application pa lang, either you are, pag-abot mo sang 60 years old, you get your senior citizen ID, again, duwa na ang imong thumb mark and signature, so that it will be a lifetime. That is a truly lifetime ID.
So if ever if this resolution will be passed today, it is the intention of the proponent that the existing cards will be replaced.
Well, anyway, if you have time. So, but as soon as possible or available, because they have to change sang ID. They have to maybe extend a little to make it a little bigger para ma-accommodate ang Tom Mark at that level. Kaya may ang ID sa senior mo. But anyway, as soon as possible nga pwede na nila, the mga reach na 60, then they can do that na nga pwede nila i-change sa matamat. And those who are individuals nga gusto nila i-change nga able pa sila, kagusto pa nila, then they can do that. They can have it changed sa signatures last Tom Mark method, Madam Chair. But anyway, this is gina-request lang natin, Madam Chair, ang OSCA, no? Ang itanan nga inisyatibo ara sa OSCA. So, as in the City Council, we are just requesting them to make it easy sa senior citizen to have their identification card. Kaga wala nagabalik ba, hindi na bala magbalik-balik. Kaya right now, kung mag-60 ka, makuha ka ng card, using that signature slash Tom Mark, that is already forever. Siguro i-change lang na sa akon, unreadable na ang imong OSCA ID. But, Madam Chair, I think in this matter, ginapahapos lang naton sa senior, hindi nataton sila pagtagaan burden. Kaya gina-question pa kung kisa nga ang Tom Mark basi hindi ni inyo. Well, anyway, that is good suggestion man. But anyway, that is not our na siguro, no? Concern. Kung gusto nila mag-check sa identification gisang Tom Mark, so they have, siguro may gadget na sila, no? For that matter. But anyway, with regards about sa mga signature kag mga Tom Mark, I think if you have the documents, may mga notarization man na. May mga notary public man. So kung may validity nga may notarized na siya, so I think that is not anymore the side sa applicant, Madam Chair. Oh, may abogado man.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Actually, the reason why I'm just asking is because perhaps the OSCA did not permit because wala ang senior that time to signify when bala sa pa-isplay ko pero ang folks lang kali. So, thank you, Madam Chair.
Yes, Councilor Sarabia, do you want to add? Councilor Young, you have the floor.
66 na so po.
Madam Chair, this is my observation. I would like to, Madam Chair, to ask the proponent, is this request is old senior citizen card holder, they have to replace for a new one, just for the Tom Mark.
Well, anyway, if you want nga ma-islan mo ang imo nga ID later on, having that signature slash Tom Mark, then kung available na,
So,
if you have the time, but as of now, it's valid. Up to the time na gusto mo, at least this is just a upgrading mo, upgrading.
So, in short, this is not a requirement.
No, this is not a requirement, but we are requesting the OSCA
Yeah,
to have the senior citizen ID upgraded for the convenience of senior citizen.
I think this application may be used only for the new applicant.
Yeah, in new and old, if you want to change your old, kung may time ka and you're able to sign into have a Tom Mark later on for strengthening or lengthening your later on your your identification, and so be it.
Oh, Madam Chair, this will be a big issue for the establishment. They will be looking for the Tom Mark for the senior citizen card because of this resolution. So,
No, Madam Chair, I
This
don't
is-
think so.
I think, Madam Chair, if the proponent will agree, we're just requesting for the new application. For new